Sonam Kapoor pays heartfelt tribute to late Rohit Bahl on the runway. Sonam Kapoor recently took center stage at the Blenders Pride XFDCI Fashion Tour 2025, walking the ramp in an emotional tribute to the legendary fashion designer Rohit Bahl. The actress, known for her impeccable style and deep connection with the fashion world, couldn't hold back her emotions as she honored the late icon with her graceful presence. A moment of nostalgia and respect. Dressed in one of Bahl's exquisite creations, Sonam walked the runway with a mix of pride and sentimentality. Her every step resonated with admiration for the designer who had left an indelible mark on Indian fashion. The show was not just a display of couture but a heartfelt homage to Bahl's timeless artistry. Sonam's emotional connection with Rohit Bahl. Having collaborated with Rohit Bahl multiple times throughout her career, Sonam shared a special bond with the designer. His ability to blend tradition with modernity made him a pioneer in the fashion industry, and Sonam's tribute was a testament to his enduring legacy. A night to remember. The fashion tour became more than just a runway event, it was a celebration of Rohit Bahl's extraordinary contributions. With Sonam leading the tribute, the night was filled with nostalgia, elegance, and a collective appreciation for the master couturier's work. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of fashion and Bollywood. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep exploring the world with us.